How to find Steam ID on mobile. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you find or locate Steam ID on mobile. So if you want to locate the Steam ID on mobile, you need to first of all download. So go to your Play Store or an app store and type in Steam and make sure to install it. After installing, you also want to make sure to log into your Steam account, and once logged in, this is where the interface will take you. Now, you need to click on the initials or the question mark icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And when you go to this section, once again, you want to scroll down and go to account details section. So when you go to account details section, you could find a lot of options such as store purchases, wallet balance, contact info, and deletion, all that. But for the Steam ID, all you need to do is look up in the top left corner of your screen under your username. Underneath, you could find Steam ID, and if you want to copy, just long press onto it and click on the copy button, and that is how you'll be able to find or locate Steam ID on mobile. So this is the simplest way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.